Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vidhi and you are watching In Colloquy with Dr. Vidhi. Well, let me brief you a bit about In Colloquy with Dr. Vidhi. This series focuses on interviewing the global influencers who have actually influenced the masses with their talent. And the first person whom we have on our board is none other than Mickey Singh, an international Bhangra coach, a choreographer, a big time influencer with us. Well, Mickey is an epitome of taking the traditional dance form of Punjab, that is Bhangra, to an international level. So we all are very excited to have Mickey on board. And but yes, before I take Mickey on screen, the interview cannot start without its Bhangra form. So let us all welcome the influencer, none other than sassy, spiffy Mickey Singh with us. He's joining in a second. Hi Mickey, how are you? So how are you feeling right now, Mickey?
I'm good.
Being
Yeah.
here for the first live interview. I am great too. Thank you so much. Well, it's your first live interview, and we all are really excited, especially your fans.
Yeah. Even I'm
And
excited.
oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's start with the interview. Right?
Yeah.
A lot of fans are waiting. So, Mickey, my first question to you is that times where the millennials are heading towards the international dance forms, what made you think to take Bhangra, the traditional dance form of Punjab, to such an international level?
All right. So basically, I started doing Bhangra since I was in my school days, right? And I just knew this form of dance, like Bhangra, right?
Right.
So when I was doing like Bhangra in my colleges and my university, and I was thinking that this is a perfect way of doing a fitness, making the making you fit basically. So what I did, so we went. So there was an international in America. There was an international fitness classes going on by the name of Masala Bhangra. So I took their workshop in Mumbai back in 2013. So and there was like from all over the world there were like around 50-55 people, foreigners doing Bhangra. And then I was a bit shocked, like people are getting crazy about it. So then I started like I have an idea in my mind about taking this Bhangra thing into a fitness. So from that then I started in 2014 from Chandigarh itself. So yeah, then it made 2 countries. Yeah.
Right. Yes, I really know that Piccadilly is known for your Bhangra classes, and
Yeah.
people are big time fan of your Bhangra classes.
So much. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, most welcome. Mickey, like you mentioned that you took classes in Mumbai. Your profile also speaks a lot about that you were selected for India's Got Talent. So, how
Yeah.
was your experience over there at a national platform?
Okay, it was amazing.
Okay.
So it was in back in 2011. So I was like, we went to this India's Got Talent reality show. At that time, it was a big thing for us. I was in my law graduation. I
Okay.
just did my law graduation at that time from university. So it was amazing. We went to Mumbai. So we saw the like different people, different dancers, acts, and the talents all over India, and it was amazing. And it was good to like communicate with each other. That was my first communication with the like outer world, apart from Chandigarh.
All
So
right.
it amazing. It felt amazing. And dancing in front of Mr.
Ah.
Dharminder, Sonali Bendre, Kiran Kher. It was just like uh, supna sach ho gaya tha. You can say that.
Yes. Any experience you would like to share with us from India's Got Talent?
Yeah, definitely I do that. I was okay. I sang a song for Sonali Bendre. I sang a song from Sonali Bendre in Punjabi, and she was
Okay.
like, "मुझे समझ नहीं आया," and it was like, okay, what did I say? But yeah, then Mr. Dharminder told her, like उन्होंने explain कराया उनको कि भाई हाँ ये
Okay.
बोल रहा है. But it was amazing यार, मतलब कि the environment.
Hmm.
I can't explain in words, है ना?
Right,
You have
right.
to
It's more of
feel
a feeling.
yourself. Yeah, you have to feel like one can feel him or herself, right? Like
All
you
right.
can just tell about the nature, like environment. It was amazing.
It was amazing. Right, right. So you
Yeah,
were one of the semi-finalists for
semi-finalist.
India's Got Talent,
Yeah,
right? So
right.
did you feel not that very good for not being selected as the finalist? Of course, you might have been.
Yeah, actually, yeah. You feel a bit sad, yeah. Yeah, of course, yeah. But coming from like from Chandigarh
Hmm.
to Mumbai and going to semi-final, it was a big thing for us, me and my team, and
Yeah.
we enjoyed our go through our run towards the. But yeah, we felt like sad when we didn't we were not a part of the final.
Hmm.
But yeah, it was like
Right,
it happened.
right. It
Yeah,
happens, right.
Haji.
And what made you move on from not being selected at India's Got Talent and still you're doing wonderful in your career?
Okay, basically that clicked. So what I'm doing today, like this thing clicked me back in 2011.
Okay.
Since India's Got Talent. So when we came back to Chandigarh, so we were having
Mhm.
like a number of shows in Chandigarh, all over India. We were having actually. So
Mhm.
it was amazing. We were traveling entire India, like going from apna Jammu to Kanyakumari, up and down, and we were amazed. It was amazing, and there were like many. We were all busy, yeah. For like 2-3 years, we were busy. Then I started doing my this Bhangra workout in
Right.
2004. मैंने आपको बताया था.
Yeah,
So yeah,
yes, yes.
so we by the time you cope up, है ना?
By the time you cope
But the
up. Yes.
basic India's Got Talent was my thing, from
Right.
where everything started. Yeah,
Where everything actually turned.
actually, yeah,
Yes, yes, right. So, Mickey, like, see, it's everybody is under the lockdown, and COVID
yeah.
19 has spread its
Very
global
sad.
rampage, and you
Haan
are still training people online
Yeah,
for your
online.
Bhangra, and they're doing their workouts and relieving their stress. Any takeaway for the students and the adults where they can actually practice Bhangra and actually also get relief from their stress, because majority of the millennials are in a complete pandemonium, and
Yeah,
they are under anxiety, they're under stress,
exactly.
anxiety disorders also, because
Yeah,
see, the
right.
9 to 5 job has actually become a 24/7 job. So
24/7
how
job.
do you actually make them emotionally stable when you train through your online classes?
Haan ji. Okay, so basically, I studied online training just because to get people out of the depression.
Yeah.
Basically, the main motive of my online training was this only.
Right.
So like when this lockdown happened, like it happened like I'm in my home since March 15th
Okay.
at my place. Yeah, since March 15th. So it's almost more than a month now, right
Yeah.
now. So even I was like feeling a bit depressed because we used to roam around, like go to our classes. I go to like in Chandigarh. So then I was feeling a bit like not anxiety exactly, but a bit like low in my life.
Low.
So then I started, yeah. Then they were like my clients, all from all over, like Germany, Europe, even America. So they started like texting me on Instagram or Facebook, like or like many localites were like messaging me on WhatsApp. So they wanted like, Mickey sir, you should start something like online, है ना? So then it was like it clicked in my mind, like yeah, why like है ना? क्यों ना शुरू करें हम? So when I
Very true.
started, हाँ जी, क्योंकि basically the main motive of my online classes is to indulge all the family members should watch me doing the Bhangra and they should follow me. Yeah. So what I'm doing is like my online classes are like all the family members are in there. They see me and they follow me up. So
Right.
basically it's a session of like 1 hour. So in 1 hour you get relief, है ना? With the
Yes.
songs आपको अच्छा वो करते हैं. Environment अच्छा बन जाता है. And you
बिल्कुल,
feel a
बिल्कुल.
bit tired. Yeah, you feel
Yeah.
a bit tired and fit. है ना? Because
Yes.
खाना ही हो रहा है, खाना and sleeping हो रहा है, nothing else here. Yeah.
You are right. You are right. You're right.
Basically, yeah, इसके साथ हमारा तो भंगड़ा is like the only part like dance form. What I'm saying, it's a very simple dance form, and
Yeah.
it makes you relief. It makes you fun.
Yeah.
It like everything like हर एक चीज
For example, I would like to mention here that it's the complete 9 to 5 job hours have transformed into 24/7 job hours right now.
हाँ जी.
So, what time do people actually prefer taking Bhangra classes from you and relieving out from the stress or the emotional distress they are facing?
हाँ जी. Basically, so जैसे time है तो anytime in the day.
Anytime.
Yeah, anytime.
Moment they feel stressed, जैसे मिकी जी ले लो classes.
Yeah, right. You're right. जब भी आपको लगे कि भी हाँ you are feeling a bit depressed, start listening to songs. Just move your body.
Yeah.
है ना? But if you want to like अगर in reality if you want to see, so early morning or like not late evenings but between 4 to 7.
Okay.
You can like है ना? 4 से 7 के बीच में आप you can do a 1 hour session. Either you can do a yoga.
Yeah.
Either you can do a yoga or you can like if you want to do a Bhangra with me, you can come on my Instagram or Facebook. Like, yeah.
Yeah, I could see a lot of videos. A lot of them. Your Instagram and Facebook is, they both are flooded with your videos that I could see. And your fans are always appreciating you a lot. Well, I must tell you, I have the secret notebook, flooded with your questions of your fans, which I'll be talking about later. Yes. Right. So, Mickey, anything for you could mention for the adults as well as for the children, who are studying in the schools and colleges? What precautions they should take when taking the online classes from anywhere, let it be you or anywhere else?
First of all, I'll tell, they should believe in the people they're following. They should trust.
Very right.
है ना? They should trust their instructors. They should be not like ना ये नहीं हुआ वो नहीं हुआ ऐसा नहीं हुआ. See, online that's a virtual class है ना?
Yeah.
So people can't like आपको direct नहीं समझा सकते. So you have to trust on them. Because उनको उनके mind में जो the person who is teaching you उनके mind में होता है चीज. Is like he's having his own homework done. कि भी उनको बस अपना homework. So first of all you have to trust the person you are following. ठीक है. And secondly, when you're taking अपना online classes, don't do like bare feet. नंगे पैर ना करो. Please, like if you're doing some forms, wear like yoga socks. There are like there are cushion socks or the shoes, like proper attire. Because the floor is very hard or that there are like tiles. है ना? Even though like मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता है, but we take like precautions. And before doing any fitness class or any dance form, you get to warm up yourself.
Okay.
Get to warm up and cool down. Later on cool down. These are the basic things you have to keep, because अगर ये नहीं किया तो आपको इंजरी हो सकती है. Either adult or either like kids, आपको इंजरी हो सकती है. Rest you have to like rest you have to follow the person जिसको आप वो कर रहे हो, follow कर रहे हो उस पे, like yeah, you have to trust that guy or a girl.
Yes. Yeah. Any two dance forms you could talk about where they both can be complemented and a person can do two dance forms together? For example, Bhangra
and Bollywood.
Okay.
Bhangra and Bollywood. Bhangra and Bollywood you can do it. So these both are having same energy level.
Okay.
So you can mix it. So like मैंने आपको पहले बताया ना, so I was teaching this girl from New York, Serena Jain. She was doing masala Bhangra. So masala is Bollywood and Bhangra is Bhangra. So Bhangra and Bollywood you can do, yeah. So
you can do it.
This is the best combination.
Best combination. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Nikki, being an aficionado in the field of Bhangra, you have a huge fan base. We all know that. Anything you would like to say for your fans right now?
I would like to say right now कि stay home,
Stay.
घर पे रहो, don't go outside, don't go. Even I'm not going outside. Don't go outside. Stay safe and take care of your family. ठीक है ना, सारों को take care करो and eat healthy, sleep on time. ठीक है जी, sleep on time and one should do fitness. And बच्चों को बोलूँगा they should not अपने parents को तंग ना करें.
Right. Thank you so much. I hope the pointers you have given to us would be quite helpful for the schools and the children, and the educators, or even your fans who are watching you out right now. Well, I have a small rapid fire round for you. Followed by your questions of fans. Right. This is my secret notebook. Right, and I am going to start a rapid fire round, the most awaited round from my side with you. All right, Mickey, here you go. Name the first word that comes to your mind now.
Mickey.
Well, if you had to buy something for your fans, what would you buy them?
If you want to buy something
for your fans,
I'll buy like Bhangra stick.
Bhangra stick. Okay.
Yeah. Adi.
If asked to train any cartoon character for Bhangra, who it would be?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey. Right.
Yeah.
Excellent. Nickname your parents used to call you.
Mickey, that's my nickname. Mickey is my nickname.
Achha, Mickey is your nickname. So, what's your official name?
My official name is okay. So that's a big name. Okay, so my official name is Harsimran Preet Singh.
Okay, all right. All right, Mickey, your first celebrity crush.
Kareena Kapoor.
Oh, she's mine too. Favorite junk food?
Kulche chole.
Wow. Okay. Right. Have you ever worn socks with sandals?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. If you could ask God a question, what would it be?
Okay, right now my question would be when the corona is going,
Yeah. I was expecting that. Thank you for giving so fab answers. And I move ahead towards the, fan questions. These are not manipulated. They're all from the fan side. I was actually flooded with the questions, but I could only, finalize 6 questions for you. Yeah. Okay. So they were 28 in number, but we selected just 6.
Okay.
Right. The first question is from your top fan, Kudrat. She asks you, despite the fame you have right now, how do you keep yourself so grounded?
I don't know how to answer this. So one should be grounded, yeah. And otherwise, खत्म हो जाता सब कुछ.
खत्म हो जाता है. You should be in your roots. You should be attached to your roots. Yes.
Yeah, obviously.
Right. Obviously. Right. So second is from Gurdeep. He asks you, how do you use your leisure day?
My leisure days, okay.
Yeah.
I go to Elante. I go to mall. I see a picture, like a movie.
Right.
Yeah, or I sleep. That's it.
I sleep. So what about now? You can't go to a mall. Yeah.
Right now I'm sleeping, like sleeping, eating, and online classes. That's it. And nothing else.
Right. So we have a person from Norway, one of your top fans, Elizabeth, and she asks you, How can I improve my footwork when I use my hands and feet together? I get confused.
Oh, okay. This is a like Hanji. So basically, so she should work on the basic steps,
Yeah,
she should work either on the upper body or on the lower body, like on the
right,
legs, on the like, and her mind should be clear what she want to do the next step. अगला step उसने क्या करना है?
right.
So, like by practice it happens, yeah. By practice,
Practice.
like Hanji,
Yeah.
by
So
practice
I
makes.
hope Elizabeth is listening to you. Otherwise, we'll share the recorded video over YouTube.
Hanji, I hope so.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Then we have a couple fan of yours from Australia, Simran
Okay.
and Honey. And they have a question for you. Do you snore?
No, I talk. I talk. I talk when
Right, right. Then again, a question from a couple. They're
Yeah.
a completely big fan of yours. They ask you to describe yourself as a teenager in 3 words. And this question is from Mandhir and Shivani.
Okay, in 3 words: crazy, uh, like full on energy, and
Yeah,
and crazy. Both
and
ज़्यादा
crazy. It's all
And-
crazy. Crazy. Yes. Well, the last question is from again from a couple who resides in interior Punjab, Karanjeet and Bharpoor.
Okay.
They themselves have been national Bhangra performers, and
Okay.
they want you to teach them 2 signature steps of Bhangra right now on screen.
Right now.
On screen, 2 signature steps.
Oh shit. Okay, so you want me to do right now?
2 steps they are requesting me.
Okay, let me see 2 steps. So one is so 1,
Yeah,
4. This is one step. ठीक है?
right.
And the other one is what should I do? So
Oh yeah,
yeah.
great, great, great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. These were the questions from your fans, and you had
Yeah.
a blast answering your fans. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
I
much.
hope the viewers are going to benefit a lot from you. And I'm so sorry, could not offer you anything over the online set. Had it been a physical
Too late.
set, I would have offered you, a lot
I'm having-
more. You have right, right. But surely our hamper will reach you out a moment the lockdown opens. And for all your fans watching you out here, the recorded video will be uploaded on the YouTube, and the link will be provided to you. And you can watch the video out over YouTube, over Mickey's
will.
page, Mickey's. Yeah, thank you
will.
so. Right. Well, thank you so much. It was a privilege interacting with you, conversing with you. And if your fans have more questions to ask, you can drop us an email or write to us over Instagram, Facebook, and Mickey will be ready with this next interview with us.
Yeah, definitely. I'm like, today was like fun. It was fun.
Yeah. Great.
I enjoyed
Great.
Very
Yes.
much for giving me a chance.
Oh, that's all our pleasure. That's all our pleasure. Thank you so much. Well, it was amazing. Thank you for being, with us on a live interview, and from all of your fans and all the audience viewing us out here. Much love to Mickey, and stay tuned for my next session in Colloquy with Dr. Vidhi coming up soon. If you have any queries, or you feel that you as an influencer has impacted and affected lives of masses through your talent, do write to me for an interview. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.